She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amma. Today I'm gonna show you how to make cute two-piece set from an old dress.
You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard.
First of all, you need to cut the dress into two pieces. This dress got stretched, but I couldn't give it away yet because I really like the color of this dress. So I decided to fix it a little bit and use it for a while.
She's a Mona Lisa.
My dress has a zipper, so I'm gonna leave it for the bottom
There
part.
must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's
Then
a
I'm
Mona
gonna sew the top part.
Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture.
If you guys have a sewing machine, it will be even faster, but it is also fine if you're sewing by hand.
You from around the way, you didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that yeah, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime,
When you finish sewing, just cut the extra part.
Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa.
For the bottom part, since I'm using zipper, I'm gonna sew the top part of the zipper so the slider not gonna come out of the chain.
Everyone's lining up to see you. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper.
You can see it is secure now.
She's a Mona
Now you have a new two-piece set. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, like and subscribe.